Hello, we are in Bali, and here with us is Allison. Allison, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Allison McDonald, and I live in California and also in Hawaii.
Okay, and what was the reason for you joining the Indonesia sourcing trip?
Well, I've been wanting to create products for a long time. I worked with Signify a little bit before I had gone on this trip, and I had such a good just feeling about the company. And so when the trip came up, it was like, yes, this is what I want to do.
And did the trip meet your expectations? Did it give you knowledge, benefits? Can you explain that part a bit?
Yes, above and beyond my expectations. This is the first time that I've traveled out of the country by myself, and I was nervous about that, but from the very beginning, I had somebody helping me the whole time, making me feel comfortable, making me feel like that I was seen, and it was wonderful. It was a wonderful experience. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
And would you recommend it to the business owners and to those who want to start their own brand?
100%. I'm already having a friend where I live, and she's been wanting to do this too, and she might be coming with me on the next trip.
That's amazing. Thank you, Alison, so much. Thank you.